Camping is a summer rite of passage in Wisconsin, and today we're exploring some of the state's most family-friendly campgrounds. Let's check them out on Discover Wisconsin.
Hello and welcome to Discover Wisconsin.
One of the best parts about the Camping for the Fun of It brand is you'll notice all the campgrounds are similar but different. They have some of the same awesome stuff, but their own unique charm as well. And that's why we're at Hickory Hills. I'm gonna show you why this is the perfect spot for your next family vacation. Hickory Hills Campground is in Edgerton, just a short drive from both Madison and Milwaukee, making it a great destination for your family's quick weekend away from home.
Hickory Hills sits on about 60 acres here on Rice Lake. There are 186 seasonal sites and about 79 overnight sites.
And for those who aren't familiar, what do you mean by seasonal versus overnight?
A seasonal site is one that's open from about May 15th to October 15th. So folks come in and they sign a contract with us to use a piece of land here at Hickory Hills, and so they keep their campers on it for a whole season, and so then they can come whenever they want and use all of the amenities during the week, on the weekends, whatever fits their schedules.
So they basically get a second home away from home for an entire season.
Yes, yeah, you get to spend your time hanging out at the lake or the pool, and you don't have to worry about any of the maintenance.
Why go camping once in the summer? We can go every weekend.
Exactly.
And Hickory Hills is the newest campground in Camping for the Fun of It.
Yes, it is. It was recently purchased. They've added so many new amenities, the Wibbits, the jumping pillow, the super shot, and the new store. Folks can now order hot pizzas, pretzels, get a slushie, some ice cream, and we have all of the staples you may have forgotten to pack before you came on your camping trip, so you can pick that all up in the store.
And I heard you had a donut bar, which I'm very excited to check out.
We do have a donut bar. We actually have a donut bar and an ice cream social. So the donut bar is Saturday and Sunday mornings. We provide the donuts and all of the toppings.
Do you know I've never had a donut sundae before? I'm gonna treat this like I treat my sundaes, right? You need a variety of toppings. For sure, you need some chocolate, duh. Then you need some more color, hence the sprinkles. Breakfast of champions right here. Here at Hickory Hills, breakfast and dessert are the same meals. And that's what I call vacation. Besides a sweet treat to start the day, campers we spoke with told us why they get excited about a trip to Hickory Hills and what they look forward to doing once they get here.
Relaxing. The adults are most excited about relaxing. Relaxation for us means watching the kids have fun and just sitting back and watching them, sitting around a campfire, reminiscing about old times. Been doing that a lot. It's been a great time so far.
I like how wooded it is.
Shaded.
Shaded, definitely. So you're not getting beat in the sun all the time. It's really quiet. It's a good time.
There's no question that parents enjoy their stay. But believe me, Hickory Hills is definitely a favorite for the kids as well, featuring fun arts and crafts projects, not to mention plenty of stuff to get kids moving. What do you think is the highlight for kids that come here?
Most definitely our brand new jumping pillow. We have kids on that all hours of the day. They're there from the morning until the evening. They just jump away. It's just amazing how much time they can spend out there.
Head to discoverwisconsin.com to get started planning your next weekend getaway to a Camping for the Fun of It campground.